This is the Baby Jogger City Select seat. I'm going to take it apart so you can see how to get the footrest off, because it doesn't really look like it comes off. So here we go. First, remove the hood. And you're going to pull this up, find all these little silver snaps, undo them. And flip it over. And it's really important when you're doing this seat to make sure that you don't put it in the dryer. Really, really important, because it will be almost impossible to get back on the seat. So here I'm taking, there's like a Velcro strap, pull it through, there's the buckle, comes off just like that. You're going to push in on this little button here, slide it out, just enough to where it's not going to pop back in, and then flip it over. Do the same thing on this side. Push that little button in, and this is a little tricky. You slide it out, and it'll just pop off by itself. Sometimes easily, sometimes not so much. And then you're left with this portion. This looks like it's actually sewn in. It's not. So here you just take it and grab one side. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So you're going to grab this side here. You're going to need two hands for it, which I don't really have. You can see here, right in this section, there's a little hole. So it slides right out of there. So you just need to take it firmly and start pulling. And once you start it, it actually comes out pretty easily. You still gotta tug a little bit, but it's not too bad. Slides right out, and voila! You have now the metal piece. Here's the frame, and then you're gonna need to get into the back of your seat, the Velcro pocket. There. And then inside is a board. And it's a plastic. Make sure you pull it out, because it's not something you want to throw in your washing machine. It can be a little tricky to get it out, especially with one hand. And there you go. And now, stick your seat. It's pretty soft. Throw it in the washing machine, cold wash, and put it on while it's still wet to let it dry. Right on the seat. Good luck!